Hey everyone.
Welcome back to FundsFlow channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable content. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important topics for 2025 financial goals. Let's be honest. Setting financial goals is easy, but sticking to them, that's the real challenge. We often start the year strong with big financial ambitions, only to get sidetracked by unexpected expenses, lack of motivation, or just plain old procrastination. But this year, we're changing that. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple yet powerful ways to set realistic, achievable financial goals that will set you up for success in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're looking to save more money, reduce debt, or start investing, these tips will help you create a solid financial roadmap. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'll also be sharing a bonus tip that can help fast-track your financial growth. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. Chapter 1. Define your financial purpose. The first step to setting strong financial goals is understanding your financial purpose. What do you want to achieve? Do you want to buy a house, start investing, save for a dream vacation, or maybe build an emergency fund? Clarity is key. Before setting any financial target, take a moment to reflect on your long-term and short-term financial desires. Think about how achieving these goals will impact your life. The clearer you are about your objectives, the more motivated you'll be to stay on track. Write down your why, your reason behind your financial goals. Whether it's securing your family's future, gaining financial freedom, or simply reducing financial stress, identifying your core purpose makes all the difference. When you have a clear vision, it becomes easier to stay motivated and disciplined. Remember, goals without purpose are just wishes. So, define your financial mission and make sure it truly aligns with what you want for your future. Chapter 2. Make smart goals. Once you know your purpose, it's time to make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Having vague goals like, I want to save money, or, I want to invest, isn't going to cut it. You need to be clear on the exact amount, timeline, and action steps. For example, instead of saying, I want to save more money, say, I will save $5,000 by December 31st, 2025, by setting aside $417 per month. This way, your goal becomes actionable and easier to track. Specific goals make tracking progress easier. Another key aspect is making sure your goal is realistic. If you currently have no savings, aiming for $50,000 in 1 year might not be practical. Instead, focus on something attainable that challenges you but is still within reach. Make adjustments as necessary, and don't be afraid to modify your goal based on changes in your financial situation. The key is to set a goal that is ambitious yet realistic so that you stay encouraged along the way. Chapter 3. Automate your savings and investments. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite strategies: automation. The best way to stick to your financial goals is to set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you remove the temptation to spend first and save later. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill, something that must be paid every month no matter what. There are plenty of tools and apps that can make this effortless. Many banking apps allow you to set up scheduled transfers to your savings account. You can even use apps that round up your spare change and invest it without you even noticing. Imagine every time you make a purchase, a few extra cents are saved or invested. Over time, these small contributions add up, creating a solid financial cushion without requiring major effort. The goal is to create a system where saving and investing happen in the background without you having to think about it constantly. Small steps add up over time, and consistency is the key to long-term financial growth. Chapter 4. Track your progress regularly. A goal without progress tracking is just a dream. That's why it's crucial to review your financial progress at least once a month. Life is unpredictable, and things don't always go according to plan. That's why checking in on your financial goals is so important. Take 10-15 minutes to check your budget, track expenses, and adjust where needed. Maybe you overspend 1 month, don't stress. Instead, focus on how to balance it out in the upcoming months. The key is to remain flexible while staying committed. Use budgeting apps or even a simple spreadsheet to track your spending, savings, and investments. If you're falling behind, don't stress, just tweak your plan. Financial success is all about consistency, not perfection. The more you check in on your progress, the better you'll be at identifying patterns and making adjustments before things get out of control. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Chapter 5. Build multiple income streams. One of the best ways to reach your financial goals faster is by increasing your income. In 2025, having just one source of income might not be enough. Consider starting a side hustle, freelancing, investing, or even monetizing a hobby. More income means more opportunities to save and invest. Think about ways to leverage your skills. Can you teach online, sell digital products, or start a blog? The internet has created endless opportunities for generating extra income. Even if you can't start a full-fledged business, small efforts can lead to big financial gains. Bonus tip: stay disciplined and avoid lifestyle inflation. Say no to unnecessary spending. And now, as promised, here's your bonus tip: avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. But remember, just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. Instead, focus on increasing your investments and savings first. Your future self will thank you. And that's a wrap. Those are 5 powerful ways to set and achieve financial goals in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let me know in the comments what's your biggest financial goal for 2025. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.